Welcome to today's episode. Join us on a mesmerizing journey through 3 breathtaking locations we recently visited in Mallorca. With stunning drone footage, we'll take you right to the heart of the Mediterranean. This may very well be our new Isla Bonita.
Hola, soy Santi.
Hi, I'm Angela.
Together we're realizing our dream of relocating to my homeland in the south of Spain.
Along with our Australian Shepherd Levi, we want to share our passion for the Mediterranean lifestyle, where the sun shines more than 320 days a year.
So if you like this video and you want to join us on our journey, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel,
Livinlavidacosta.
'Cause I found my way.
We leave you with the sun setting over the beautiful Port de Soye. We've always wanted to visit the islands, and it is a definite must if you're in the area. If you've enjoyed this episode as much as we have, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Adios, amigos.